Isa po sa aking pinaka-ikinagulat ay ang mga revelasyon ng mga opisyales ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ginamit ng DepEd ang kanilang certification, ngunit ayon sa mga opisyales ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, wala silang natanggap ni piso kusing galing sa Department of Education. At ayon sa kanilang mga opisyales, ito daw ay isang regular na programa ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Sinasabi ng DepEd, nagbayad daw sila ng informant worth 4,050,000 pesos.
Actually, I was asked by the Officer of the Secretary to ask for certification coming from these units. But it is clear to them or even to me that no funds are involved, meaning no funds released to these units.
For